So if I open my email, this is what I received from Firebase. It says verify your email for project, and then the project number. It's sent to David Kababian, and then some dummy text here with the email verification link. For your project, you can edit the text that it will be sent in a verification email. But the most important part here is just to follow the link to verify your email. So I'm going to click on it, and this will take me to a specific link and say your email address has been verified. So we are going to close this. I'm going to close my email as well, and I'm going to jump back to my login view and just click login again. And if everything goes good, which went good, and it says print email is verified, and my view was dismissed, so that my login function happened properly and whatever we expected happened. So we have the print statement and we have the dismiss view. So the part here is working. What we need to do is in our end user function, here we have the to do part to download the user when we log in. So this is the next thing we are going to do is whenever we register or we log in, we are going to get our user from our Firebase and to show it, to save it to our local application so that we have access to it at all times.